I got out here late, so I took a picture of the crappy pads. Man, they were pretty bad.
There was one that was real bad.
I see that.
Out of the 4. Which is what she was hearing. Okay.
I think they were pretty bad. Oh, I've never seen any that thin. It happens. It's like one was grabbing. See, like, they're supposed to be like that. See? The thickness. It's a big difference between...
Oh, no, that one's half gone.
But, look at that one.
Yeah, shot.
Shot. That other one's brand new comparatively. I got brake dust on my fingers and
All right, let's go back.
mom's nightmare, brake dust. It's not asbestos anymore, is it?
They say not.
I better wipe it off on the grass before it blows in my nose. Oh, that's not working.
Huh?
That didn't work too good. That's okay. I got what? We'll take care of it. So anyway, Chris says he is all done except for cleaning up.
What did it take me, 30 minutes?
Not even. I was waiting until the puppy settled down. Maybe 15 minutes. I was shocked you were done. Do you have to bleed anything?
No.
Really?
No, just pump them back up, seat the pads back in, the new ones, and should be good to go.
Dang. All right. Another great job done by
The
Son.
only time you ever got to bleed brakes is when you open the system up and have air in it, or replace a caliper, or
Oh, I've done
something
that
like
before.
That. But
Yeah,
I didn't
that's
open
why.
anything up. I just squish them back and
I've
put the pads in.
I've replaced calipers before. Rotors, actually, and I had to take the caliper off. Well, that's the call of the day.